Hi, my name is Katie.
And I'm Johnny. And here's the Catskill News.
This Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and while many of us think it's just a day off from school, it's much more than that.
It's a day of remembrance and reflection, a time to think about who we were as a nation and how far we've come, and the work that still needs to be done to ensure fairness and equality for everyone in America.
So as we head into the long weekend, let's take a moment on Monday to be thankful for our opportunities.
And to reflect on who we are and how we treat others and how we continue Dr. King's legacy in our own lives.
Let's honor the day with a purpose. The annual Martin Luther King Jr. March for Peace and Justice will take place on Tuesday, February 24th at 5 p.m. Beginning at the Second Baptist Church on Main Street, this community event honors Dr. King's legacy and brings people together in a march dedicated to unity, peace, and justice.
Students are encouraged to participate and represent Catskill with pride. Once again, the march will be held on Tuesday, February 24th at 5 p.m. at the Second Baptist Church on Main Street.
Here's our weekly principal discussion.
Hi, I'm John McKenna, and I'm with
Miss S.
So we have Regents Review, or not Regents Review, we have finals coming up in a couple of weeks. What are we doing to prepare for that?
So I've been meeting with a lot of kids lately and recommending highly that they're staying after school with teachers. I mean, just as a reminder to all kids, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, teachers are here until 3 o'clock. Second quarter ends next Friday. Stay after school, stay on top, make sure you have your missing assignments in, and if there's anything that you're struggling with, especially preparing for finals, reach out to your teachers. Every staff member here is incredibly supportive. They give up their lunch, they give up their preps, they use their time after school. So definitely use those resources that we have available to make sure that you're prepared.
Definitely. And then this is like a hard time in the school year because it's like really cold and everybody's sick. What do you think, or what do you do to manage that throughout the school year?
Winter's terrible. It's dark all the time. It's dreary. A lot of people are sick. So to kind of combat that, what I recommend to everybody is trying to get off of your devices a little bit and go out and just have social interactions in person with other people. There's a whole bunch of research that shows that actual face-to-face interactions helps people stay positive and, you know, decreases anxiety and all those things. So instead of just relying on your devices and texting everybody, go be safe in the community, but actually go get together, have that face-to-face interaction and try to get off of some of those devices. Because like I said, that research shows that having those social connections in person, especially for the kiddos that we have right now with all their access to technology, can really help combat some of that winter not feeling that great, not wanting to come to school. So I recommend getting those face-to-face interactions, appropriate and respectful, of course, but getting that face-to-face time with your friends, because that's also part of what high school is about, is building those relationships, having that social network, and hopefully building relationships that last beyond high school.
Most definitely. Well, thank you. I hope you have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.
It has been proved that students that do not have access to their cell phones are more happy, more attentive, socialize more with friends, and get better at grades. Let's ask some students. Who am I here with?
Rosa, Amari, Anna, Manaya, Christine,
Jonathan.
Do you socialize with more with friends without your cell phone?
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think you are more agitated in class?
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you achieving better grades?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you happy in school?
Yes.
Thank you.
No.
I don't know. Let me start.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Every other Wednesday afternoon, the CTE classes are offering the Cart for Delivery service with 2 choices of drinks, hot chocolate or unsweetened tea at the cost of $2, and there's 2 choices of snacks, chocolate chip cookies and Chex Mix, at the cost of $3.
CHS and CMS staff can place orders for periods 5 to 9, and students will deliver your order. Order forms will go out via email on Thursday morning and are due by Monday afternoon. Please support Catskill CTE, created by Cat's Cart.
Our winter athletes have been on a highlight in the regional news.
In Catskill, basketball is more than just a game. It's about showing up every day ready to work, pushing each other, earning every rep, and playing the right way. Off the court, we give back because the community gives us everything. When we play for Catskill. Catskill basketball built on hard work and driven by community. It's unselfish basketball and relentless effort. We represent more than just a jersey, we represent Catskill. This culture is earned, it's built on trust, discipline, and pride. Catskill basketball, one team, one standard.
Cupid Cat's Candygrams will be available February 9th through 12th. Send a special message and a sweet treat to any of your favorite cats, and the National Honor Society will hand deliver your candygram right to that person's classroom.
The Catskill Secondary PTSO is always looking for more teachers, students, and community members to get involved and support the schools. Please keep an eye out for our up-and-coming events. You can join in person or through a Google Meet. Your participation makes a difference.
How about some lunchtime trivia with Jai?
Who am I here with today?
John McKenna.
Brianna.
Christian.
When was In-N-Out Burger founded?
1974.
1948.
1936.
Nah, 1948.
That's close.
1920s.
1948.
What about some student pop culture with Preston?
I'm Preston Cruz, and this is Student Pop Culture. What's your name and grade?
Eddie Ocasio, I'm in 9th.
Jeremiah, 9th grade.
My name's Charlie, I'm in 11th grade.
How was your first semester?
Amazing.
It was good.
It was good.
What was your favorite thing from the first semester?
The lunch food.
What's your favorite event from the first semester?
The pep rally.
My favorite event was probably the soccer season and playing with my teammates.
What do you want to improve in your second semester?
Eating the lunch food more.
To get better grades.
Thank you. Improve in the second semester.
My grades?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Our iWorks class is all about learning how to use a Mac computer and learn all of the educational editing software programs available. Students are completing their final projects that include developing a news production or film.
We have 3 iWorks projects from our successful students. We will start with Rebby and a report on Yellow Ribbon.
Yellow Ribbon is important because in our age demographic, suicide is extremely prevalent, and it's really, not talked about enough. So, it's good to spread awareness.
Hi, I'm Rebby. I'm here at the high school gym for Yellow Ribbon today. Thank Ms. Clancy for doing the Yellow Ribbon program and doing this to bring attention to teen suicide. Let's ask some of our student leaders about what Yellow Ribbon is.
Hi, my name is Louise. This is Alex, Bella, and Eliana, and we're here as members of the Catskill Yellow Ribbon Suicide Prevention Team. So Catskill Yellow Ribbon has been around for over 20 years. We started here in 2002. It's a student-led program, and we're spreading the message of suicide prevention. We go into the gym classes every year and do stations just as a reminder to break the stigma that is in the world of suicide and mental health, and to open up the conversation because it is a big issue.
We are here today to take the time that you have in gym classes to show our support in suicide prevention and bring it closer. In the gym classes, we are doing stations where each station supports different parts of mental health that could lead to suicides and help prevent it.
It's so important because everyone deserves the help that they need to feel like a person, and Catskill wants to be the one to start the conversation and to bring it into the world and destigmatize the mental health topic.
Next is Christian's interview with Ms. Collier.
Hi, my name is Christian. I'm here with Ms. Collier, our physical education teacher. Why are you in the cafeteria today?
Santa's helpers.
How long have you been a physical education teacher?
36 years.
Why did you decide to be a teacher?
Well, I think sports and movement and physical activity is really important. It made me happy when I was a kid.
How has teacher been different over the years?
I think it's better. I think it's changed for better. We have better kids, but I had your parents, so they were great too. Get back to me on that. I'll get back to you on that one.
When do you think you will retire from physical education?
I don't know. Whenever the time is right. I'll know when I know.
What will you do when you retire?
Oh, there's lots to do. There's lots to do. I'm going to do something a little more glamorous, though, like something with perks. Maybe in the airlines. I don't know.
Do you have any advice for new physical education teachers?
It's the best job ever with the best kids. They'll make you happy every single day.
Thank you for taking time to talk with me. Best wishes for the best future.
Thank you. You too.
Finally, Gabe has a report on his basketball team.
I'm here to interview about the boys basketball team. What is your name?
Chance Harris.
What's your end season goal?
To win states.
Do you have any accomplishments that you want to achieve this year?
Nah, I'm really just trying to win.
Facts. My name is Gabriel, and I'm here interviewing the varsity basketball team. Tell me your name.
Jeremiah.
What's your season goals?
To win states.
Do you have any accomplishments that you want to achieve this year?
Just to win as a team.
Feel me? And your personal goal?
Play a good team and be better.
Feel me?
Nice work to all of you and welcome to Catskill News Team. We look forward to seeing you join the broadcasting team. Congratulations.
Attention students, there are new free training opportunities in energy technology, light manufacturing, and other EOC workforce programs, ideal for graduating seniors looking to enter the workforce right after high school.
These programs are offered at HVCC, provide hands-on training that can lead you directly in employment. Stop by guidance for more information. These opportunities are completely free and could be the jumpstart to your new career.
Here's grandmother Catskill Weather.
Hi, I'm Greg Cooper and this is your weekend weather. Friday, there's going to be a high of 30 and a low of 16. Saturday, there's going to be a high of 36 and a low of 27. Sunday, there's going to be a high of 31 and a low of 14. Did you know the deepest part of the ocean is 7 miles below the surface? Deeper than Mount Everest? This is your weekend weather. Go Cats.
That's it for this week. Cats can and Cats will.